In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect with Cloudflare. Redirecting is a powerful tool that can help you manage your website's traffic efficiently, ensuring that your audience always lands exactly where you want them to. Whether you're consolidating multiple pages, managing URL changes, or just organizing your site better, creating redirect rules in Cloudflare is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to your specific domain. Think of your domain as the central hub for everything related to your site on Cloudflare. Within the domain settings, you'll find a section labeled Rules. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Redirect Rules, which will take you to the panel where you can create and manage your redirects. Next, you'll see an option to click Create Rule. Alternatively, if you're feeling adventurous, you could use a template, but for now, we'll focus on creating a rule from scratch. Now, you'll want to name your rule. A good practice is to choose a name that clearly describes its purpose, making it easier for you or anyone on your team to understand its function at a glance. Now, under the section titled When Incoming Requests Match, you'll need to select a wildcard pattern. This pattern allows you to specify which URLs the redirect should apply to. For example, you might use something like https://example.com/ to match all pages under that domain. If you want to cover a broader range, you could opt for http://example.com, which accounts for both HTTP and HTTPS protocols, as well as any subdomains. This flexibility is crucial for covering a wide variety of URL scenarios. Moving on to the next section, which defines the action to be taken, you'll enter the target URL. This is the URL where you want your traffic to be redirected. You can use dynamic placeholders like $1 or $2 to represent parts of the matched URL, allowing you to redirect traffic dynamically based on the original request. This is particularly useful when handling complex redirection needs without having to manually set up numerous individual rules. You'll also need to choose the status code for the redirect. Typically, you'd use a 301 status code for permanent redirects and a 302 or 307 for temporary ones. The choice of status code tells search engines how to treat the redirect, either updating their index or recognizing it as a temporary detour. Finally, decide whether you want to preserve the query string. This option ensures any parameters appended to the original URL are carried over to the new one. This can be crucial for maintaining analytics tracking or user sessions. Once you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and click Deploy to enable your rule. And there you have it. Your redirect is now live, smoothly guiding your visitors to the desired destination. With these tools in hand, managing your website's traffic becomes a breeze. Thank you for watching, and happy redirecting.